We Uyghur community members across the world call on Morocco government to release Uyghur activist Idris Hassan. Idris is an innocent Uyghur man, professional computer engineer, father of 3 little children. It is unacceptable for all Uyghurs around the world and the people with basic humanist principles to see that Morocco government decided to deport an innocent man to Chinese communist government, where he might face torture, enslavement, or death. Chinese government is guilty of genocide against Uyghur people. Idris Hassan is the member of Uyghur community. We demand Morocco government not to deport Idris Hassan to China. It's against international law and the fundamental principles of human rights. If you insist to do so, you would make yourself accomplice of genocide against the Uyghur people. We call you to act as a responsible and democratic member of international community. Please release Idris Hassan as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Biz bugün dünyanın her qaysi joylaridagi Uyghur cemaati Morocco elchixonasining oldiga yig'ilib, beguna bo'lgan Uyghur jamiyatining a'zolaridan bo'lgan 3 prezidentning dadisi bo'lgan Idris Hassanni Morocco hukumatining Xitoy kompartiyasiga, Xitoy hukumatiga o'tkazib berishiga qarshi norozilik bildiryapmiz. Idris Hassan 3 bolaning dadisi. U bir gunohsiz, u kompyuter injeneri.